How to create a map in Google Maps. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build a custom personalized map using Google Maps. This is perfect for planning trips, marking specific locations, or even outlining entire areas. So to get started, you're going to open your browser and then you're going to head over to Google Maps. So we're just going to click on Google Apps right here, and then among the menu, you're going to click on Maps right there. Now, once you have your Google Maps open, you're going to click on this three horizontal lines at the top left corner, and then you're going to click on it saved. Now from here, you're going to click on maps and then you're going to click on open my maps. It will take you to the map editor. Now from here, you're going to click on create a map and then you're going to just click on create to confirm. Now, once the map editor opens, you're going to search for a specific location or neighborhood that you want to work on. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to zoom in to the specific location that we want to work on. And then from here, we're going to outline a certain area. So if you want to do that, you can just click on the draw a line tool right here at the top, and then you're going to click on add line or shape. Now you can trace around your chosen location right there, and then we're going to just turn it into a shape. And then from here, you can give this area a name and even add a brief description right here. Now, once you hit a save, you can even customize the look by changing the area's color to make it stand out by clicking on the style button, and then you're going to choose a color. So I'm just going to click on the color red. And then if you need to mark a specific point of interest, you're just going to click on add marker button right here. And then you're going to drop it on your map, and then you're going to give it a title like favorite coffee shop or meeting point, and then just save it. Just like with the area outlines, you can also change the color of the markers by clicking on this bucket right here. And then you can pick a different icon to represent that spot. You can also add photos or videos to make these markers even more detailed. When your custom map is ready, you can easily share it. You're just going to click on the share button right here at the top left corner of the screen, and then you are going to give this map a title. I'm just going to title it Map 2, and then you're going to hit on OK. Now, once you hit on OK, if you want to make it public or searchable, you're just going to toggle those switches on. You will get a unique link that you can copy and send to anyone you want. That is how you create and share a custom map on Google Maps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.